Hi guys, today I'm going to go over a word problem on population density. Okay, so a map of a city shaped like a square is given below on a grid. In 2002, the city's population was 364,500 people. What was the population density in 2002? So to figure out population density, you're going to take the population of people and you're going to divide it by the land area. Okay, they're most likely not going to give you the land area. You're going to have to figure that out. So before we jump into this, I want you to grab your notes and put a few things in your notes. The population density gives us the number of people per unit of area. We can write this fact in three formats. Each format gives the same fact, just written differently. Okay? So format number 1, population density equals the population divided by the land area. Format number 2, the population equals the population density times the land area. Format number 3, the land area equals the population divided by the population density. Okay, so in our example of our current problem, the first thing we have to do is figure out our land area. So our land area is this square here. So to figure out the area of a square, we have to figure out the length of the side. Okay, so if we look at our grid, from 0 to here is 45 kilometers. Okay, so 45 kilometers up there as well. The height of the square is also 45 kilometers. They tell us it's a square, so we know that. So to find the area, we take the side times side, or side squared. So 45 times 45 gives us 2,025 kilometers. All right, we want the population density. So the population density equals the population divided by the land area. So to do that, we take the population, which they give us, 364,500, and divide it by our area, which we found to be 2,025, which gives us 180 people per kilometer squared. Okay, so that is our population density. Let's go ahead and work an example of this. A map of a city shaped like a rectangle is given below on a grid. In 2013, there were 720 people per kilometer square, people per square kilometer living in the city. What was the population in 2013? Okay, so I know that population density, I'm going to abbreviate, equals the population divided by the area. They give me the population density and they want me to find the population. Okay, so to find the population, I multiply both sides by the area. So area times the population density equals the population at the time. Okay, so we are going to find the area of this rectangle first to figure out the area of the city. So my width of this rectangle is 20. My height of this rectangle is 65. Now I know that the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So I have area equals 20 times 65, which gives me 1,300. And this is kilometers squared. Okay, so I'm going to multiply my population density by 1,300 kilometers squared. So I have 1,300 kilometers squared times 720. Sorry, that should be 720 720 people per kilometer squared. Okay, so when I multiply these out, I have 1,300 times 720, which gives me 936,000. So up here, I have 936,000. Now, is that people, kilometers, or what are we working with? Okay. Well, when I multiply my units here, this is really kilometers squared over 1. Okay. So when I multiply the units, the kilometers squared and the kilometers squared cancel. So this is people. When you're talking about population, you're looking at people. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions on this, and I'd be happy to help you.